Anyways, let's get started. An ad just popped up on my phone. I'm gonna get something. Back with an old handy day knife. It's mine. Don't ask why I have a knife. I'm old enough. And there's some crap that there's some bad crap that happens where I live. If my parents alive, I need to get an airflow. Put skulls on it. I have 2 more knives. It's so pretty. Holy crap. What the cats? I'm gonna actually show you all my Christmas presents. But I kind of got carried away with all the girly girl stuff you got me. They're pajamas, and I got a new bike. My old one sucked, and I was getting too big for it, so I got a new bike. It's really sick bike, and it's cute. And I'm gonna install a horn and everything. Oh my god, these are so cute. Wrong way. I should plug it into my phone. I should plug this into this phone. Plug in. No. Are they lighting up? Are they lighting? I don't know, I can't see, but we're doing some music. Let's see if they light up for that. Oh my god. YouTube. I can do anything. I can do like any song or any video. I don't care. A new rap video for Afmal and Jason. Yeah, I'm such a girly girl, probably. Badass. Cue that. Well, guys, that's all, and I'm gonna watch the rest of my video, and I'll see you guys later, and stay tuned, and stay awesome. You're gonna see your Psycho Girl later. Bye!